Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go here in the settings application and then click here on the Wi-Fi section. Just near the Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi on your device, and then just you'll see all the available settings, all the available networks, which you can just select and then connect your device. And for example, I'll go with the first one. Here you should enter your password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. And just here by tap simple on this icon, you can see your password to have no mistakes, some mistakes like in my case, and then just click here to connect. Wait a second, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network, and that's it. Not sure, you can just ask how to connect to another one. You just can by the same way select one from these networks, or you can just forget for the first this network and then just to select the another one to enter the password, connect to the same by the same way. And if you want to just turn on the Wi-Fi on your device, click here again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first you should open your notification panel, and right there you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap once on the Wi-Fi icon to activate the Wi-Fi, and then just hold for a while this icon, and you will enter again your settings, Wi-Fi settings, and you'll see all the available networks. By the same way, you can just select one from this network, enter your password and connect here. And then when you just want to turn on the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So really easy, right? And thank you guys for watching. That's it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.